Let's embark on a journey to sell physical AI art prints. In this video, I'll be covering everything from generation to printing to advertising. There are reports of people making hundreds of dollars a day with this venture. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. To begin, let's find an AI art generator. We can use tools like Midjourney Night Cafe and Stable Diffusion, both of which offer unlimited image generation for free. Our goal is to sell these AI-generated artworks on Etsy, an online marketplace known for arts and crafts. Let's identify popular art niches on Etsy and target those with our offerings. Start researching Etsy search suggestions and utilize eRank, an Etsy keyword research tool, to identify sought-after niches like mid-century modern, abstract art, and flowers. By diversifying your listings across various niches, let's hope to find success in at least one of them. While most artists on Etsy sell digital prints, we'll opt to offer physical prints. Unlike digital files, physical prints command higher prices and can yield more profit per sale. To avoid the hassle of printing, packaging, and shipping, let's utilize print-on-demand services. Let's choose Printful. A print-on-demand provider offers a range of wall art products, including canvases, metal prints, frame posters, and more. We'll sell our AI art on their enhanced matte paper poster in various sizes, from 5 by 7 inches to 24 by 36 inches. This approach will allow you to focus on generating sales without the logistical burden of handling physical inventory. Adding a Printful product to your Etsy shop is a straightforward process. Simply connect your accounts and create a new product. You'll then select your desired sizes, upload your AI art, and voila! However, it's important to note that most AI art generators output images at relatively low resolutions, typically around 500 to 1000 pixels wide. If you plan to print your images in larger sizes, you'll need to upscale them. Fortunately, there are numerous AI image upscalers available, both paid and free. For this purpose, let's utilize Gigapixel AI, which can upscale images by up to 6 times their original resolution, filling in missing details using AI technology. Once the AI art is ready, we'll upload it to Printful, and it's seamlessly listed as a draft on Etsy. Printful simplifies the process. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you love the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now, let's get back to the video. There are 5 crucial elements that must be addressed for a product to sell effectively on Etsy. Firstly, the photos should be professional-looking mock-ups designed to attract customers. I found several free mock-ups on Google, which I used with Photoshop to enhance the presentation of my art. Next, the title plays a key role in helping people find the listing through Etsy search and the platform's algorithm. I fill it with keywords relevant to my artwork's niche. Similarly, I optimize the tags to further improve visibility. Offering free shipping is a significant selling point on Etsy, as the platform prioritizes such listings. Therefore, I decided to offer free shipping to customers in the US and Canada. Pricing is another essential element. Since I offer prints in various sizes, I price each size differently. Using the eRank profit calculator, I ensure that my prices maintain a profit margin of around 30 to 45%, with slight adjustments for the smallest size to account for its visibility in search results. Lastly, to make my listing more appealing, I decided to put it on sale. By increasing the listing prices by 15% and then offering a 15% discount, customers perceive it as a good deal without affecting my bottom line. With my first listing live, I repeat this process for all other AI art I've generated, hoping for sales. I also learned that random suspensions are common, especially for new Etsy stores, If this happens, you just have to file for an appeal. On Etsy, there are primarily two ways to gain visibility for your listings. The first is through organic search, although it's not guaranteed. The second is by utilizing Etsy ads, where you pay to increase your visibility. Selling AI art prints on Etsy is challenging, requiring careful niche targeting and possibly a longer time frame to see significant results. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.